to question 2. Question 2. The inverse Laplace. Okay. The first thing we do is to write that fraction 2. This is a linear factor. So it's going to be a over one of the linear factor, then plus what? B over the second linear factor. So when the degree of numerator, when it's less than denominator, what do? You use what? Use a partial fraction. Okay? Use a partial fraction. Then the next thing to do, multiply through by the common factor, which is x minus 1 and x plus 3. And that will be equal to what? Numerator equal to this one times this one. That's a times x plus 3. Then plus this one times this one. B times what? X minus 1. The next thing to do is to look for a way to cancel one and generate another one. So let x be equal to 1. So in that case now, we're going to have 1 plus 11 equal to 8 times 1 plus 3, and that's 4. So a is what? 12 over 4. That's 3. Then the next substitution will be let x be equal to minus 3, because we want to make sure that this is cancelled, that then we are able to get the b. Okay, and that will be what? Minus 3 plus 11 equal to b into bracket minus 3 minus 1. So this one will give us 8 equal to minus 4 b. So b is what? Minus 2. So we've gotten the two constants. We've gotten the a and b, okay, using the partial fraction. Then the next thing to do now is to go back to the question and use the inverse Laplace. So we now have inverse Laplace of the fraction. My a is what? A is 3. Inverse Laplace. A is 3 over x minus 1. Then b is what? Minus 2. So plus minus. So this just becomes minus 2 over what? X plus 3. Okay? Then without wasting time, final conclusion, 3 will come outside. Then we have 3 this, then minus 2, e minus what? E minus 3t. Okay? So to buttress more, I want you to know something. Whenever you are having two inverse Laplace of this, so you take your 2 outside, okay, then you make this one, this will be minus 3, because the rule is a minus a, but you are having plus. So you break into 2 parts, then that will now give you what? 2 exponential. It must be minus, and then this is what? Minus 3. That's minus 3 t. So that's just that on that. Okay, if you're new on this channel, please smash that notification bell, click on like button, okay, begin to type your comments, and please take this video viral. Go to your social media platform, begin to share the videos. Okay, let's take this video viral. Thank you for doing that.